Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid creatine side effects. Creatine is a popular supplement, but proper usage is key to minimizing potential issues. We'll cover essential steps like starting with a loading phase of 20 grams daily for 5 to 7 days, then transitioning to a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams daily. Staying well hydrated is also crucial for a positive experience. Proper hydration is paramount when taking creatine. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water throughout your day to support kidney function and prevent dehydration. Additionally, consider dividing your daily creatine dose into smaller servings. For example, if taking 5 grams, split it into 2 doses of 2.5 grams each. This can enhance absorption and reduce stomach discomfort. Timing and how you mix your creatine can also impact its effectiveness and reduce side effects. Taking creatine with a source of carbohydrates, like fruit juice, can help shuttle it into your muscles more efficiently. Always mix your creatine powder thoroughly in at least 8 ounces of water or another beverage. This ensures it dissolves completely and helps prevent any gritty texture or stomach discomfort. It's important to listen to your body and monitor how you feel while taking creatine. If you experience any persistent discomfort, such as stomach upset or muscle cramps, consider adjusting your dosage or discontinuing use. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions or are taking other medications. They can provide personalized guidance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.